Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another What's New on my Bead Mat series. So today I wanted to show you, I have still really been into seed beads. I've been making my own seed bead soup mixes and I'm having a blast with them. And I'm making just kind of like minimalist wraps with them. I'm going to be selling them in my Etsy store because most of my jewelry that I make is chunky and you know, I thought, well, let me try something different. So I'm going to show you, this is one of my seed bead soup mixes that I made. And I literally take a spoon and just kind of hold it up. I have a little bit of everything in here. Everything from, I think there's a few 15-0s to 6-0s seed beads. I do have a few check glass, rondelles. I have some fire polish in here. Just kind of a little bit of everything. Let me kind of hold this up a little closer so you can see it. But just, isn't that delicious? It's kind of like blueberry pie here. So I just have different versions of blue, and I have a few, like my crystal squares, and then just a few bugle beads, just a few, but yeah. So this is my bead soup that I made, one of them. And then these are the wraps that I've made from them. So let me see, let me just grab one here. So they would wrap around the wrist 4 times. They're 28 inches in length. So if you have, I figure the average size wrist is 7 inches. So each one is 28 inches around. And the good thing is, you know, if you have someone who has a bigger wrist, you can put a little 2-inch extender chain on it. You know, if somebody measures their wrist, put a 2-inch extender chain on it, and you can have it fit pretty much anybody. So here's 3 of them together. I think they're so much fun though. I've been sitting here just watching TV and working in my bead room. And so these are my latest ones here. And this is them just opened up. So I think they're so cool. I just love them. So that's the first one. And this is more of my light blue turquoise mix. Yeah, I like just taking a spoon and kind of doing it. See, and I have a few little bugle beads in there. But they're just so pretty. I have a little bit of everything, you know. So I have some sparklies, a few mattes, because of course I like a lot of texture in my jewelry. So you could take something as minimalist as a seed bead wrap and just really jazz it up with all the different shapes and colors. So yeah, I've just been having a blast with this. So that's that. And then so far I have 2 of them made for this. These are 2 of them right here. And they're really pretty when they're on. They're very comfortable to wear. Now, I'm not a fan of stretchy bracelets because they break. I've had way too many of them break. So I just put a lobster clasp on it and a little, this right here, these little clamshell silver colors, and a little crimp bead, and you're good to go. And one, what do you call it? My brain is kind of today. But anyway, so yeah, so this is where I'm at with these. So I made these 2 soup bead mixes so far. Now, I have some other bead mixes that I made. Let me see if I still have them. I don't know if you remember on my last What's New on my bead mat, I had bought these. Now these I haven't used yet, the topaz ones, the check glass seed beads, the 6-0s. And then these are the 11-0s. These are transparent gold. But these are the ones that were amber that I used. So I made these. I love the way these turned out. They turned out so pretty. So there, I only have a few left of these beads. So all I mixed was these check glass 6/0s with these 11/0 check seed beads. And there's no pattern to them. So I don't really like a pattern when I'm doing stuff like this. I like it to be very random. So, you know, if I make 4 or 5 and I sell them on my Etsy store, each one is a little bit different, you know. So here's 2 of them together. I just think they're so pretty. You know, they would go with a lot of different outfits and that. And they're 28 inches long too with the lobster clasp. You can always put a extender chain on. So I have those. Then, let me see if I found my pink. Yes, okay. So here, let me get my other thing here. Wasn't as prepared for this as I thought I was going to be. Okay, so then I had this one. This is called Hawaiian. And there's just a few beads left in there. And then these Toho seed beads that I actually used when I made the jewelry for my daughter's wedding for the bridesmaids. So I put these together and I ended up with these. And I think these are really pretty. So there's 2 of them here. Let me see, I have them intertwined here together. Yes. So I just think these are so pretty. The different pinks in there. And then I love this. It's like a rose gold sparkly. So you could just kind of see how it sparkles on the edge there. So, and 28 inches on those. And then these are my other ones. These are I call these Tropical Punch. These are a little bit of everything. See, they have no rhyme or reason, and I just think they are so pretty. These are like really fun beachy bracelets, you know, that you just so cool. I had a blast making these. I actually just took a bowl and I just added a little bit of all my different like bright fruity looking seed beads, you know, and that's why I'm calling it Tropical Punch, because that's what it looks like. You know, it's got some of the sparkly orange check glass and just, you know, some fire polish, and I've got Miyuki, I've got all Toho seed beads, I got all different ones in here, but they're so pretty. And, you know, just to wear that even just as a wrap by itself would be really, really cool on. So I have that. Then I went into my fire polish beads and I used the same strand of fire polish, but 2 different sizes, the 3 and the 4 millimeters. So I did that and I just made a 3 wrap. So I thought, this is cool. This could actually be for a man or a woman. More like a unisex bracelet. But I just thought these were so cool. So, yeah, no, so this one is 21 inches in length. So I have this, and then I made these 2 right here. And these, there are the ones with the AB finish too, the violet blue. I thought these were so pretty. So yeah, so these are just more kind of a uniform. Now I had doing the 3 and the 4 together, and I just kind of randomly mix them up in there. But I thought these are really pretty too. So this right now, I'm working on a couple other projects for some of the companies that I'm working for, and I'm just working on my little seed bead projects and just having a blast here. So this is what I've been working on for the last week right now. And yeah, I'm thinking about just kind of putting up a new section on my Etsy store I don't know how many of you sell on Etsy or have your own website, but I do have an Etsy store and I sell a lot of my jewelry on there. And so I just thought these would be fun bracelets for summer. And even this could be for fall. This could go, you know, into the fall, and these could too. Actually, all of them could, pretty much. So let me know down in the comments what you think of these. And let me know what you've been working on your bead mat. I know I do a lot of bead unboxings and working for other companies, but I like doing my own thing too. So I'm trying to do a weekly video and just show you what I've been working on. Maybe inspire you to take out some of your other beads and work on them and see what comes up. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up on the video so I know you like it. And also you can subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yes, let me know in the comments what you think of these and what you've been working on. And below I have my links to my Facebook, my Etsy store, my Instagram, and my Pinterest. So if you want to, you can follow me on those. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be posting some more this week, so stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye.